Hey everybody. You might hear more wind. I just thought that it's so pretty out here. I know it's gloomy. Damn, it's a train. Let me tell y'all about these trains. Trains now have gotten so long. And there's like a train, I swear to God, like once an hour. It's a wonder they don't crash into each other. Like one stops and the other one hit in the butt like a rear ender. Anyway, I digress. All right, it's something I want y'all to see, but first we're going to kind of walk through everything. This is my spring yard, April 25th. I don't know how much of this y'all can see. I'm not going to take the top off. But see, I got little baby lettuce. I'm growing lettuce for my boo, because remember, if you've been following me, you know my boo like to eat healthy. And I ain't nothing like my boo, because I like hamburgers. But I got to take care of my daddy. I got some bok choy over here. There it is. But I got 2 spots. Oh, and there's carrots down the lines. You see the lines? Didn't really get to see them the wind's been blowing. Anyway, you can see tiny little carrots popping up. I'm going to do like Liz and just let them, I overseed it. So when they turn into babies, I'll just pull them out a little at a time. Let's get this out the way. Get out the way. There you go. It really wasn't nothing to see, but you deserve to be able to look. See where that little hole is? There's supposed to be something growing there, but it ain't. And then there's one back there. Oh, my finger. And something's supposed to be growing there, and it ain't. So there you go. And here's my bed of red Crimson Clover with a bunch of babies growing. Some of this is weeds in here, which is fine. Let them weeds grow, because I'm just going to turn them over. All of them. I don't give a crap, because I know how to pull weeds. What the hell is it? That is a weed, but this is a beautiful clover. They just need to hurry the heck up and grow so I can chop them down. All right, so y'all know it's springtime. Ain't much going up here in zone 5, but we do got the pretty springtime stuff. So here's my dead nettle. Man, y'all can't even see how pretty it actually is, what I'm seeing, but this is my whole yard of dead nettle. I don't know how much you can see, but let me see if I can. Nope, all you see is my daggum ugly leaves. Don't pay no attention to the fact we ain't raking around here. I mean, look at that. That's where the leaves go. I know how to recycle. Shut up. This, I want y'all to tell me. I thought this was broccoli, but I'm really looking at this and pretty much know that this is a plant out of place. Actually, it's in place. It's in a proper place, because I'm going to let it do what it do. And when it's done, I'm going to kill it so I can put something else there. I made a nice dirt patch. I pulled out all these daggum trunks that was in there getting in my way. I plan on making structures. Let me back up and turn around and look. I plan on putting some more trellises, because most of my garden is going to be vertical this year. Sorry if I'm shaking the camera too much. Here's all my delicious Artemisia slash mugwort. I'm going to dry some of that and put that under my boyfriend's pillow. His mama passed away, and she comes to everybody's dreams except his. So I'm going to see if I can get him to have good lucid dreams and he can interact with his mama. It didn't work for him, and I put it next to my table, and then all of a sudden I start having weird dreams myself. Maybe he's just a weirdo and stuff don't work for him. Anyway, this is my grapevine for my future delicious grapes. Okay, so This is what I wanted y'all to see. Hopefully it turned out good. The whole daggum reason I came outside with this camera. Y'all see all this? Remember my gigantic other yard? Look at this. All that purple. I don't know how much of that y'all can see. Yeah, get it in like that. Those are purple violets. And they are all over. Oh, okay, this makes it. You can see it really good here. So I guess I'll just walk over them. See my violets? So pretty. So pretty. Oh, I'm stepping on them. So I know you can eat the flowers, but guess what? I'm not walking through here picking all these damn flowers so I can make one little cup of tea. Ooh, I made a cup of tea with all these damn flowers that took me 14 years to pick. They come up in the springtime. Sorry about the wind. They come up in the springtime. They get hot, they die. It's ephemeral. Enjoy it while it happens. Something else will grow here and harbor mosquitoes and fleas once this is gone. I'm kidding, y'all. Well, I'm not kidding. There will be fleas. It's a big, hefty black cat that walked his butt through here. And I'll use my nematode spray, and I'll take care of that. Okay, I'm not looking in the camera. I found this. I showed this to Liz. I think I showed it to Liz. Yeah. Liz, make a comment and say whether I showed you my nightshade. I think I did. So I thought this died, but I guess it stays. It looked like a little tree, but I can see the old berries on it. Well, maybe, I don't know. We're going to see what happens with this. Y'all know my thing. We're going to see what happens. But I think that is my nightshade and that it is coming back. And maybe I can feed the berries to my enemies. Yes. I'm going to show y'all one last thing. Even though that was supposed to be my piece de resistance or what have you. I want to cut this damn tree down so bad. But look at that. Y'all see that nest? I know ain't nothing in it at the moment. Or it might be. I ain't got on no ladder or nothing. But I love that the birds make nests around me. And nothing's made a nest in my tree the last the last year or so. Nothing's made it in my grapevine. Yeah, I'm tired. I guess I'm tired. I don't know. I'm just excited. I think the blue violets got me super excited. Anywho, I don't trip on these. Obviously, as you see, there's progress, but there's not much. I'm not doing too much stuff. The weather is insane here. And there's my garlic. I actually did right and planted it in the fall. I got 12 sweet pea plants. These 4 are purple sweet peas from Love Cat. She's in the 1 Million Pumpkins channel. That's the number 1 million pumpkins. She's a homesteader now. You should see all the cool stuff she's doing. She's one of my besties. And she sent me seeds a long time ago. And I'm growing them. I tried to grow them. They died. I'm trying again. And then I have spots here that were empty. Let's see if I'll come around. Trying to keep this camera steady. I'm a little manic today, y'all. So I'm out of control. Anyway, so I had 12. Ooh, look like something been chewing on this one. I can't tell. No, it's just not that big yet. Anyway, these 2 didn't pop up, so I soaked some seeds and put them out. Same with these 2. I put all those seeds out yesterday, and it looked like one already trying to pop up right here. I probably shouldn't mess with it, but oh, I saw a little bean booty right there. Cover your bean booty. Get decent. And here's my other ones. God, they look like they're being chewed on. I think they are a little bit. Nothing that'll kill them, though. Okay. Well, I think I showed y'all enough. Y'all look at my mess and enjoy that. I mean, it's really shitty back here. I got a lot of work to do. So, that's my garden, y'all. I hope all of you that were thirsty for me were able to enjoy this video. I have 2 more that I didn't put out yet, so they'll be behind. But I really want to show you guys this because I was super excited. And there you go. You guys have a beautiful day on this cold, cool April 25th. All right. Love you all. Bye.